My name is Nick Blencarn. I'm a director at the Severn Partnership. We're a firm of chartered land surveyors based in Shropshire. We've been operating as a company for 27 years and we've been using cloud-based solutions since 2007. I would say the main driver was streamlining of systems. So we had multiple paper-based systems which were ineffective, taking too long, and effectively all the work that we were doing was in paper in somebody's hands. If one of the directors wasn't there, we couldn't find information, we didn't have access to information. We've implemented cloud computing into our existing systems on a number of fronts, from web design to open source client management systems, through to timesheeting, job profitability, and actually into our usual directors' meetings. I think the main hurdle in setting up cloud computing for our business was actually choosing a provider. There are many different solutions out there and you've got to choose the one that's right for you. So you've got to choose the right level of access, the right level of security, and the right level of complexity for what the system you want to put in place. I think any help or guidance you can get as a business from somebody who's an expert in their field. We're experts in surveying and measurement, but not necessarily in other fields. So if we can get financial advice, web advice, technical advice in other areas to actually help us to make the decisions to pick up the right systems. When we were looking at security for our data, we took two main measures. One was making sure that data held in the cloud is downloaded to a separate physical source we can carry away, put on a memory stick. And second was choosing a provider for cloud-based software that allows you the right level of restrictions for access and restrictions for editing. I'd say our business has benefited from cloud computing on a number of levels. One mainly is streamlining the efficiencies of what we do. So in getting rid of paper-based systems, we're stopping people from making 4 operations and making it into one. Cloud computing has really made working practices flexible within our business. In terms of staff can work from home, they can see the scheduling of where they're due to be in the next week. They can check on a Sunday night to see where they're going to be Monday morning. The benefits for clients for cloud computing, if they're willing to take it up, is that they can have access to information very quickly. If they're wanting to know progress on a project, then the ability for the surveyors at the end of the day to write down their progress, and for the clients at any time to look at that document without having to get hold of a person by phone or email. The immediacy of the information is there.